Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy meringue pie. We'll start with a simple, pre-baked 9-inch pie crust. This saves a lot of time and effort, making the process much more enjoyable. Just make sure your crust is completely cooled before we add any filling. This foundational step is crucial for a perfect pie, ensuring everything sets beautifully. Let's get started on this delightful dessert. Next, let's create that vibrant lemon filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and 1 1/2 cups of water. Cook this over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens to a lovely pudding-like consistency. Then, remove it from the heat and stir in 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 3 beaten egg yolks. Pour this hot, delicious filling directly into your cooled pie crust. Now for the showstopper, the meringue. In a clean, dry bowl, beat 4 egg whites with 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar until soft peaks begin to form. Gradually add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, continuing to beat until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. Carefully spread this beautiful meringue over the hot lemon filling, making sure it touches the crust all the way around. This crucial step helps prevent the meringue from shrinking during baking. Finally, it's time to bake our masterpiece. Place your pie in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the meringue is beautifully golden brown and slightly firm to the touch. After baking, let the pie cool completely at room temperature for several hours. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even overnight before slicing into this delightful homemade treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.